Are you interested in learning how to make money just by copying and pasting something on the internet? It's quite possible to earn as much as $90 every hour with this strategy. Can you imagine how much money you'll be making? In today's video, if you're interested, make sure to watch this video from beginning to end so that you don't miss anything vital. Don't worry, this method is available all around the world and is completely free. You don't need to invest or sell anything. To make this strategy work, make sure you have your smartphone, laptop, or computer with you. This will be a simple way to earn money online in 2022. I'll show you how to make money rapidly by leveraging the greatest and most effective platforms. If you're interested, stay tuned and watch the video till the end. Before we get into this brand new content, keep in mind that we release new ways to make money online every day, so make sure you complete watching the video and stay tuned anytime we release a new method so you can be the first to test it out. Like and post in the comments section below to help us with the YouTube algorithm and achieve a larger audience. Please support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below, and if you want to be notified whenever I publish a new video, click on that red subscribe button and turn on notifications, and you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So, without further ado, let's get started with the tutorial. For today's video, the website that we'll be focusing on is this right in front of your screens. Now, don't worry because I'll be sharing with you the special secret URL of today's method in a bit, so stay tuned. And also, I just want to prove first how great this website is so you can earn money online easily. Now, what exactly is this website all about? It is a people-powered design platform, meaning it is a technological-based company with over 100 patents. In terms of ecosystem, this platform is filled with diverse people, including customers, designers, makers, brands, and partners. All are connected on a daily basis through content community and commerce. Now, when it comes to designing your own content, the platform offers their easy navigating website that has the ability to help you create your own designs effortlessly. The best part about this website is that once you publish your own designs, it can be sold as physical products like mugs, shirts, gift cards, and many more. You don't even have to do the selling yourself because this special website of today will automatically do it for you. In this method, you basically generate income passively through the help of today's platform. To give you an example of what products they sell, I want you to click the search bar at the top of the homepage. Click the second category, which says Products. Upon doing so, you'll be able to get a preview of the different products that people created on their own through the use of this platform's designer tool. Now, if you're wondering what that is, make sure to keep watching as this video will be showing you a step-by-step guide on how to navigate and use it. As you can see here, the most popular products featured on this website right now are all about cards and invitations. There's a holiday card here, invitations, gift wraps, and even gift guides. Now, what we want to do is create a product to sell on this website. From here on out, I'll be showing you how to sign up for a free account on this platform. To do so, just simply click on the blue register button above and it will show you a pop-up. Click on this another black button and it will lead you to a page where you can automatically sign in with a single click by connecting your Facebook, Google, or Apple account. You can also manually sign up for an account on this website by filling in your email address and password. By doing all these, now you have your account to be able to create and sell on this platform. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and share this video with your friends, subscribe using the red button, and leave a comment down below if you loved it. If you liked it, subscribed, turned on the notification bell, and left a comment down below, that will be awesome. If we receive 1,000 comments on this video saying I will make money in 2022, we'll release a fantastic new video next week that might be even cooler than all of this, where you can make money doing simple things like this. So, if this video receives 2,022 likes, we'll release an incredible brand new video that might be even crazier than all of this. So, with that said, it's time to go back to work and earn some cash. This website is also available on your smartphone devices. It is available on Android and iOS devices, so if you don't have any laptop or computer to do this method, you can just simply download the application on your phone. Now that you have your account from the same search bar that we clicked a while ago, simply look for the Create Your Own option among the categories. It will take you to a page where you can access their design tool for free. To start creating your designs, just simply select the button which says Start Creating. Now, one thing I love about this website is that they actually have their own done-for-you templates, which you can just tweak to your own liking. On the left side, you can browse different templates to use. As an example, I'll be using this one. Say I'm selling an invitation card for the holiday season, I can customize this card to my own liking. Here I can change the color of the text by looking at the right side. I can change it however I want. I can also change the font style if I want to. Now, on the left side, you can see different categories like elements, icons, and background. Say you want to change the background to blue. You can do that by clicking the blue square right here, and now it's blue. I also feel like adding more ornaments to the card. Now, to do so, just click on the icons category on the left side. Search for the ornaments option. I'll just simply click on this icon and resize it like this. Then, change the color to white so it'll fit the rest of the occurring elements on the card. It's pretty easy, right? With the platform's design tool, you can easily customize your designs and even choose from done-for-you templates. Once you're done with your product, just simply download your design and save it to your computer. As always, I want to give you guys bonus tips to earn more money. So, for this website, it's completely possible to earn twice or even thrice the amount of money by going to their homepage. Once you're on their homepage, scroll down to the bottom of the site and look for the text which says Refer a Friend. Zazzle's referral system allows you to get $25 for every friend that you refer. As you can see here, they tell you how it works. First, you have to share your custom link on social media via email or text. Then again, each friend that you refer gets the fabulous deal of 60% off cards and invites, plus 20% off of all other products on their first order of $25 or more. The best part about this is that you can get a $25 off coupon code to use on Zazzle once your friend's order ships. Isn't that cool? Now, to proceed, just simply type your email address on the blank right here. Then press enter. You'll then get your unique referral link to share to your social media. You can share it on your Facebook or even Twitter account, and by doing this method along with Zazzle's referral system, you can instantly earn so much in a single day. You can do this over and over to earn as much money as you would like. Just remember that putting these two together will maximize your income on this website. And yes, today's website is called Zazzle. You can just simply type in zazzle.com on your search bar and do what we suggested you to do to make money online. Alright, that wraps up today's tutorial. If you made it to the end, just know that if you decide to step up, you will start making money. Don't let your emotions control you, get up and start doing whatever I showed you in this video. This is the end of the video. If you made it to the end, thank you so much for staying with us. Make sure you check out the previous videos on our channel. We upload every single day, and all you gotta do is like my channel and turn on the notification bell, like this video, share this video with a friend, and leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications. If you want to see more money making videos, go to the next video which will pop up on the screen after this tutorial. So, until next time, we'll see you in the next videos.